Hello folks, it's beautiful here today. I'm near Dive Locker boat, what is behind me, and sometimes we go diving. Okay folks, time lapse is started. My time lapse in setting, maximum time on 120 minutes. However, I did use only 90 minutes, and when I stopped my camera, it showed 67% of battery power. Okay folks, what I figure out, my Pixel 7 still running, but the sun rays happening behind that boat storage building. Dive Locker boat is nearby. It is November, and I'm guessing that at equinox in June 22nd, sun rays happens over here. When I drove yesterday from that bridge somewhere here, I figure out that sun rays happens somewhere around here. So anyway, stop in camera.